So some of you also might not know how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So that's why I will show you all the little things that you need to know related to this particular topic. All right. So here you have to go to the search bar and you have to just write down PowerPoint. If the Microsoft Office is installed on your laptop, then definitely you will see this, and what you have to do is you have to just click on this and then you are going to get this screen. All right, once you click on Microsoft PowerPoint, then you are going to see this screen. Now most of you have laptops and computers, isn't it? The ones who does not have a laptop or a computer, you can also install PowerPoint on your mobile phones itself. So you just have to go to Play Store and then you just write down PowerPoint presentation and you will get to see Microsoft PowerPoint and then install it on your phones itself. So the screen will of course not be similar, it will be a little different, but the features remain the same. So the screen will not be like this of course on your mobiles, but the features will be same. You have to just do you have to just go through it, you have to just see everything, and then definitely you will be able to make beautiful presentation. Now see, this portion, this white portion, the box that you can see, this is known as slide. Okay, this white box that you can see here, this box is known as slide. The space here, you can see the space, this space is for text. That means if you want to write something that you can write, then you can write here.
Hello, ma'am.
See, yes.
Can you please explain from the start because I'm just entering just now?
I had not explained much. You just have to go here on search bar. So this is basically, this is the screen of my computer. You have to go here. Okay, you have to go here. You have to just write down PowerPoint. Okay,
But
and
me, I
then
don't have computer. I don't have laptop or
yeah,
computer,
then you
so
you can just install Microsoft PowerPoint on your phone itself. You just have to go to Play Store. Now I
yes, yes.
am, because I'm using a computer, so that is why I will not be able to show you the mobile thing. But you can definitely install PowerPoint on your mobile too. Okay, so you just have to go to Play Store and then you have to search for Microsoft PowerPoint, install it on your phone, and then you can check. Okay, definitely the screen will be some a little different because it's a bigger screen compared to a mobile phone. So that's why the screen on your mobile phone will be a little different, and maybe some of the features you might not be able to use on your mobile phone, but the basic things you'll of course get there and you'll be able to use it. All right.
What's the use of it?
Hmm?
What is the use of it?
Microsoft PowerPoint.
Yes, yes. What is the using? What we will use about of what we will use for this app?
So generally earlier, uh, we used to, draw things on chart papers, write down things on chart paper, and then we used to present it in front of the audience, isn't it? Nowadays, instead of the chart papers, we are using PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, in order to deliver presentations. Okay, if I ask you to
Self-class.
deliver a presentation, if I ask you to make a PPT and then deliver a presentation, you have to make a PPT, and accordingly you have to deliver a presentation to me as well. So when I do the class, I show you PPTs, isn't it? Sometimes I show you PPTs, sometimes I show you Microsoft Word files, isn't it? So
Yes.
I use these files to show you some content. So whenever you deliver a presentation, if you want to show some content, then you can use a PPT. And most of the time you must use a PPT because it's compulsory, it's mandatory. And sometimes you can just deliver a lecture. Okay, but most of the times when we deliver a presentation, we use a PPT, that is a PowerPoint presentation. All right,
Okay, ma'am.
we will add the contents here. I'm going to show you that. Okay, now I'm going to show you that particular thing, how to add things, how to add text and everything. All right. Okay, now again I'm repeating the box that you can see here. Okay, this is known as slide. Okay, now you can add slides, a lot of slides, as much as you want. Okay, you can just click here and you will be able to add slides. And even if you click on enter, the button enter on your keyboard, then also you'll be able to add slide. Just what you have to do is you have to just select the first slide, and then if you click on the button enter, then you will be able to add slides. Okay, is it clear how to add slides? You have to just click here. Okay, new slide, you have to click on new slide and just click there. If you are using your phone, then you have to just touch there. Okay, so you will be able to add different add as much as you want. Okay, next here you are going to see there's a new slide option, and you will see a triangle here, one inverted triangle here. So if you click there, you will see these options. Okay, these are the themes of title and content, basically the designs of the title and content. Now you can see here there are two boxes. Here we can add text. Now see, this is another design, isn't it? So various designs are given here, and you can select it whatever you want to. Okay, ऐसे select कर सकते हो, ठीक है, जो भी चाहिए. यहाँ there's a triangle, inverted triangle here, you have to click there, and then ये सारे designs, you'll be able to see all these designs, and accordingly whatever you want to add, you can add it. Okay, तो यहाँ पे if you want to like add two columns and you want to write the differences between two particular things, and you can add this design, you can add this theme, isn't it? You can add you can select these and this particular theme. So accordingly, according to your content, according to your own choice, you can add the themes of the text. All right. Next, as I had said, these boxes are meant for the text. You can write here in these boxes. Okay, now the first slide, it acts as the cover page. The first slide always acts as the cover page. So whenever you do any project, suppose you have done a project and there's no cover page, it won't look good, isn't it? There's no cover page. You have not written the name of the topic, you have not written your name. Will it look good? So similarly, when you make a PPT, you definitely have to add the name of the topic, your name, okay? And you're going to add all these details on the first slide itself. Okay, so first slide acts as the cover page, and suppose our topic is communication. Okay, suppose our topic is communication. So I have written here communication. Um, then you can write your name here in this box. Suppose it's Ria Sharma. B Farm first semester. I've added the name, I've added the course details, and I've also added the name of the topic. You can select it, okay? You can select it using the mouse, and then what you can do is you can change the theme of the text. You can change the theme of the font. You can change the design of the text. So there are various designs available here. Whatever you like, you can choose it accordingly. You can change the size as well. Okay, you can increase the size, you can decrease the size in this way. You can make it bold as well. So there are various other options to design your text. Okay, you can change the color as well. Now see, the name of the topic, it's quite visible, isn't it? But here, the name of the student, it's not that visible, isn't it? It's not that clear. Make sure that your text uh, is clear enough, is visible enough. Okay, so you have to choose a color that is visible. Okay, if you choose this kind of a color, then it's not that visible, isn't it? See, it's not that visible. लेकिन अगर हम ये color choose करते हो, so this color is visible. So now the text is visible, isn't it? So choose a color which makes the text visible. ठीक है, ऐसा color choose करना जो text को ऐसे जो which makes the text visible. ठीक है, ऐसे अगर visible नहीं होगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, दूसरे इंसान को समझ में भी नहीं आएगा, है कि नहीं? दैट्स वाई मेक श्योर कि टेक्स्ट विजिबल हो, और उसके लिए क्या करना होगा, एक अप्रोप्रिएट, यू हैव टू ऐड एन अप्रोप्रिएट कलर. यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट और चूज an appropriate color. All right. Now this is quite plain, isn't it? White background and black color text. This is quite simple, isn't it? Don't you think that we should add something to this? We can add pictures, we can add a lot of other designs as well. So first of all, I will show you how to add a picture. Now see, beside home, we'll see another option, that is insert. Okay, you're going to see another option, that is insert. You have to click on insert and you'll see a lot of other options. Okay, you will see the option table, picture, clip art, shapes, and a lot more, text box, video, audio. So you will be able to add videos, audios, pictures, charts, any shape, and extra text boxes as well. Okay, so whatever you want to add, you can add it accordingly. Now I'll show you how to add a picture. So just click on insert and then you're going to see picture. You have to just click there on picture. Once you click, you are going to you have to go to that file. You have to go to the destination folder or file, and accordingly you have to uh, choose your picture, the picture that you want. You can choose it. All right, now I have few pictures here, so I would like to select this. Then I can adjust this. I can adjust the picture. See, I can adjust the picture. I can take it here, I can take it here, I can take it anywhere I want to. And I can increase the size, I can decrease the size, I can place the picture anywhere I want. Okay. Now another important thing, the first thing I had told you is that the text, it should be visible, isn't it? The second thing, the pictures that you add, it should be relevant. And if you're adding background, okay, if you're adding a background, if you are making a picture your background, then choose a color that is subtle. Okay, choose a color that is not that bright or shiny. Okay, now see, I want my picture, I want my background to look like this. Now my text is gone, it has disappeared, isn't it? It has gone backward, my text has gone backward, and the only thing that I can see is the picture. है कि नहीं? You can see the picture only. The text has gone backward, isn't it? How will I be able to bring my text forward? So here there are different options: bring forward, send backward. So if you click there, you will be able to send the picture backward. Now, if you click on your mouse, if you right click on your mouse, you're going to get this list. Okay, then you can just click here on send to back. Okay, once you click here on send to back, see, the picture will go backward. Okay, and the text will come forward. Okay, now regarding the pictures, as I had said, that you have to choose relevant pictures, and if you are using it as a background, make sure that the color of the picture is not that shiny or not that bright. Okay, if you add too bright colors, if you add a lot of colors, okay, what will happen is that the people will more be attracted towards the color rather than the content. लोगों को कलर लोग ज़्यादा कलर को देखेंगे कि ऑरेंज कलर ऐड कर दिया, नियॉन ग्रीन ऐड कर दिया, दिल focus on the color rather than the content. So that is why क्या करना चाहिए, सटल अच्छा सा लाइट कुछ न्यूड ऐसा ऐसा कलर बैकग्राउंड में ऐड करना चाहिए. और ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यू हैव टू ऐड प्लेन बैकग्राउंड्स ओनली, यू कैन ऐड अदर बैकग्राउंड्स एज वेल. मैं दिखा देती हूँ एक बार. Our topic is communication, so I can add this picture as well. I had downloaded this picture earlier, so see, again I will send this picture to back. See, I can adjust the text boxes as well, I can adjust the picture, everything can be adjusted. Okay, everything, the text, the picture, everything, every little thing can be adjusted. And this is my picture. See, I can adjust this text box as well. Now see, this is my picture. Now I have not added something which is not related to the topic. If I add a picture of a superstar, or of a cricketer here, will it be related to the topic? Of course not, isn't it? So I have to add something. It's not mandatory that you have to add only plain backgrounds. You can add any such background as well, but it has to be related to the topic. Okay, and make sure that it makes your PPT, it makes your PowerPoint presentation look beautiful, attractive, and should not make it look tacky, or it should not make it look bad. Okay, uh, remember another thing, whenever you make a PPT, of course it has to be beautiful, of course it has to be appealing or attractive, but at the same time you should not forget that you are making the PPT for some formal purpose. Okay, so that's why you have to maintain decency as well. Okay, you have to maintain that decency, you have to make the PPT in a good way. It should look formal, it should look decent, and it should look formal, because you all are not designing students, so you all are not fashion designing students, isn't it? So that's why you cannot add too many colors, you cannot add too many designs, or you cannot add everything and anything you want to. It should be related to the topic, and also it should make your PPT look formal and decent. Okay, तो ऐसे पिक्चर्स भी ऐड कर सकते हो. ठीक है. अच्छा, तो अभी अगर पिक्चर हटाना है, हाउ टू रिमूव द पिक्चर, यू हैव टू जस्ट सिलेक्ट द पिक्चर. यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करने से यहाँ पे कट आ जाएगा, तो कट क्लिक कर दोगे तो चला जाएगा, और नहीं तो बस पिक्चर सिलेक्ट करो, सिलेक्ट द पिक्चर एंड देन क्लिक ऑन द डिलीट बटन एंड द पिक्चर विल बी गॉन. ओके, so this is how you can add pictures. ठीक है, and you can add other things as well, like tables, like audio, video. So you have to keep on exploring it, then you'll get to know a lot about it. I am going to only show you the basic things. Okay. Now beside insert, you'll see another option, that is design. When we click on design, we are going to get a lot of design. Now, if you don't want to keep on adding pictures, downloading pictures, if you don't want to keep on downloading pictures and adding pictures, you can just add a design. You can add a design. All right. Now, whenever you add a design, do not add, a design that is not that good or that is too bright. Now see this design, it's not that good, isn't it? And it's too bright as well. So this design is not appropriate for a formal for a formal event. Okay, this particular design is not at all appropriate for something formal. Okay, now I will have to select a design that makes it look decent and formal. See, I can use this design, isn't it? This looks quite decent and formal. So you have to pick such kind of a design that makes your PPT look decent and formal. So this is our cover page. The next page will be the next. This is our first slide, so it acts as the slide cover page. Then the next slide, it will be that slide where we have to add the introduction. Uh, I only have 5 minutes now. I think I won't be able to complete the topic. I think I won't be able to because I don't have much time now. Won't be able to complete the topic. So I should do one thing. Uh, I will continue with the same topic. I will take another like 15 minutes for this topic. So I will continue with the same topic in the next class. Okay. I will also discuss a few things. From the first two units. Of course, I'll do that, and along with that I'll just take another 15 minutes maybe, and now I don't have time. I have already seen the pop-up, and we don't have much time now, so that's why I will continue. Is it okay? I'll continue with the topic in the next class, or shall I like ask you all to join again? What shall I do? Tell me.
In the next.
Next class.
Yeah, ma'am.
That would be good, I think. So any questions? Any questions, students? Any doubts? Things that I had explained related to PPT. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt?
হেল্ল' মেম
Huh?
মেম
Ma'am.
মোৰ মানে অলপ নেটৱৰ্ক প্ৰব্লেম আছিলে আজি সেইকাৰণে জইন হোৱা অলপ লেট হ'ল তো অলপ শ্বৰ্টকে কৈ দিব নেকি আজি কি ক'লে অলপ আজি পিপিটি
মই পিপিটি বুজালো একচুৱেলি পিপিটি কেনেকে বনাব লাগে তুমি জানানে এনেই পিপিটি বনাব আগতে বনাইছানে
নাই মেম বনাই পোৱা নাই
আচ্ছা তেনেহ'লে পিপিটি কেনেকে বনাব লাগে মই সেইটোৱে দেখালো এনিৱেজ মই নেক্সট মোৰ শেষ হোৱা নাই আজি টপিকটো চ' মই নেক্সট ক্লাছত কণ্টিনিউ কৰিম টপিকটো চ' তেতিয়া মই এনেও আজি কাৰণ বহুত ষ্টুডেণ্টে জইন কৰা নাই চ' সেইকাৰণে মই নেক্সট ক্লাছত যেতিয়া মানে মই প্ৰথমৰ পৰাই আকৌ অকণমান কৈ দিম আৰু প্ৰথমৰ পৰাই ক'ম ঠিক আছে এতিয়া টাইম নাই একচুৱেলি সময় নাই
অ'কে মেম
ডিছকানেক্টেই হৈ যাব এতিয়া চ' সেইকাৰণে মই নেক্সট ক্লাছত যেতিয়া কণ্টিনিউ কৰিম চ' মই অলপ বুজাই দিম হ'ব
হ'ব মেম
ঠিক আছে Okay then students, thank you so much everyone. See you in the next class on Thursday. Bye bye, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.